Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Flosstube. Today is day 4 of the 7 days of spring soiree, and yesterday I drew the transparent embroidery kit, which was this one, and I hadn't finished it from last year. I'd done all the green, all the leaves, and I'd done a couple of the daisies and the petals and just to see what they all look like. But let me show you where I got up to with this one. So it is all finished. Let me move that out the way. It's a bit hard to see if I can get that way. So I got it all finished. It's not fully finished. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Whether I add it into a one of my stitching books or don't know, but I'm happy I got it all done and we can move on to the next project. So let's tick that off. So that's the transparent embroidery. Now I ticked off the magnifying cover because I did finish it because I needed it. So that's that there. So we've got beads and all of those beads down there. I've covered a button with the same fabric. I've got a doily and some hexagons. But I did get that finished because I wanted to use it. So I need to add something else to my list, which I think I will add instead of that is the new glasses case that I've started, but I'll show you that after. Okay, right, let's draw our next. Okay, magnifying cover. Right, there we go. So that's finished. But what I'm going to do is I'll show you what I'm working on. This is a piece I started because I want to make a little case to keep on my desk just to slip my glasses in when I go in and out of the room, and if the curtain's open, I don't want any hazards. So this is where I'm up to on that one, and what I can do now is get it done for the soiree. So that's exciting. But I hope you enjoyed that little update, and I will see you all again tomorrow. Thanks, bye.